Welcome in my trigonometry series. Here is an interesting small trigonometry problem. Here is given two conditions, tan theta plus sin theta, which is equal to A, and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to B. Based on these two conditions, we have to prove that a square minus b square is equal to 4 times square root ab. So here a and b is given as a condition, and we have to prove that a square minus b square is left hand side is equal to right hand side 4 square root ab. This is interesting and simple trigonometry problem. So how to solve that? Let's stick with me and see how do I solve. To solve it, I will start from this left hand side. Left hand side is given a square minus b square. Let's write this left hand side again, which is LHS, means left hand side. If you write in your exam as well like this way, left hand side, give me a comments whether you write it LHS as a left hand side or not. By the way, if you are new in my video, I request you to subscribe this channel. So let's start from the left hand side now. Left hand side is a square minus b square. Here a means tan theta plus sin theta and b means tan theta minus sin theta. So we can substitute the value of a and b in these given conditions. That means tan theta plus sin theta, and here is a square, minus b mean tan theta minus sin theta, and here is also an square. As you can see, this term can follow a very common mathematical formula, which is a plus b whole square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can apply this a plus b whole square in this term. That means tan will be tan square theta plus 2 multiplied by tan theta and sin theta plus b square, which is sin square theta. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square from this formula, minus parenthesis again a minus b whole square, means a square, which is tan square theta minus 2 tan theta times sin theta plus sin theta. Here is minus sign. That means if we remove this parenthesis, this minus will be plus and this plus will be minus. Here minus sin square theta and this plus sin square theta, they cancel each other, and this minus tan square theta and plus tan square theta, they also cancel each other. What is remaining is 2 tan theta sin theta and 2 tan theta sin theta. They are with plus sign, so it will be 4 tan theta multiplied by sin theta. Now look at here, this 4 is indicating that we are very close to our proof, because on right hand side also have 4. That means somehow we have to introduce this square root on our equation. To do that, let's introduce a square root over this tan theta and sin theta, means tan theta and then sin theta, which is under square root. Since we introduce a additional square root, we have to vanish it by adding something else, which is square. This square and this square root, they cancel each other, which turn to the previous statement. That means this statement and that statement, they are same. 4 square root over, let's separate the square on tan square theta and sin square theta. That means 4 square root tan square theta multiplied by sin square theta. Because there is a famous formula, sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From there we can conclude that okay, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That means next statement we can write 4 square root over tan square theta, then 1 minus cos square theta. This 1 minus cos square theta came because of this sin square theta. And now we can multiply this tan square with this 1, and we can multiply tan square with this cos square theta, which is turning like this way. Tan square theta multiplied by 1 means tan square theta minus tan square theta multiplied by cos square theta. And next statement is 4 square root over tan square theta minus this tan means sin theta cos theta. That means sin square theta over cos square theta multiplied by this cos square theta. This cos square theta, that cos square theta, they cancel each other, and what is remaining is 4 square root tan square theta minus sin square theta. Tan square theta minus sin square theta, it also fall under a simple basic formula, a square minus b square. That means a plus b multiplied by a minus, which means tan theta plus sin theta, and this multiplied by tan theta minus sin theta. And here 4 square root. We can substitute this tan theta plus sin theta, which is given here as a, and tan theta minus sin theta, which is given here as a b. That means this is the right hand side. We start from this left hand side and we prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. This type of trigonometry will be uploaded regularly in my channel. You can keep your eyes regularly on my channel. If you are new here in my channel, I would request to subscribe this channel.